that's how the strategy works every single trade, right?
There's lots of reasons for the bears to say, okay, let's come back and rebalance.
Stay smart, stay ready, stay profitable.
All right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome in to the Profit Panel. I'll be your host today. My name is Blake, host every day here of the Profit Panel. And today we have a special one for you. We have Wave Trader. We're going to take a look at the latest trends and setups in the market. We're also going to look into the layoffs that are happening across the board. We're having some very interesting chit chat when it comes to layoffs, and a couple of those companies are UPS has announced that they are laying off 48,000 employees. Amazon is laying off up to 30,000 employees. Intel, 24,000 employees. Nestle, 16,000. Accenture, 11,000. Ford, 11,000. Novo Nordisk, 9,000. Microsoft, 7,000 employees. And the list goes on from there. Now, the man who brought up the layoffs himself is here, so we're going to bring him on the stage. There is our analyst, Jeff Smith.
What it is.
And the good thing is today his chat is working, so he is back with us. Jimmy, what's up? We got Lou from Texas.
Look at that. I have a chat.
It's working, isn't it?
Wow.
How about that? Now you can interact with the good folks.
No kidding.
No kidding.
Good job, Blake. Good job.
Thank you. It occurred to me yesterday when my internet, I went to go close up the room and it broke on me. And I said, I only know one thing to do, and that's switch to Brave. And it worked. So.
And it does work. It works real well.
Yes, Brave is amazing. For those of you guys in the chat who have not tried Brave browser, highly recommend it. It will save you. I've saved 30 days of my life using Brave because of ads.
Well, not only that, but it actually installs just like Chrome. Get ready, get set, and off all that stuff.
Yeah, and it feels very familiar too. That's why I really like it, because it feels like Chrome.
Yeah, for a fact.
And we got Alex Reed with us, but he's not ready to be on the stage yet. He's preparing. He's got something good for you guys, so he's got to get it cooked up.
He's scared of us.
Oh shoot, Alex, are you ready? I can bring you on. And you just gave the thumbs up. What's up, Alex?
Let's do it. What's up, man?
Oh, just I went over some of the interesting unemployment announcements, the layoffs that we've seen across the board.
30,000 people from Amazon. How crazy is that?
48,000 from UPS.
Unbelievable.
That's insane.
Is it just because they're using AI now? Is that what their thought process is? They think they can replace these employees with some sort of artificial intelligence?
Even Chegg came out today and said they were laying off 48% of their workforce. And Chegg, if you know anything about that, when you go to college, you can actually rent books instead of buy them. That's what Chegg does. And so I can see where that's all AI stuff, just sorting and mailing and sorting and mailing. So that part I get. But my daughter used Chegg when she was in college.
Right.
Oh, really? Dude, you know what I was thinking about? I was thinking about randomly shower thought last night. I was like, man, I remembered in college I started college in 2011, and I remember going to Amazon for my college books, but that's all they sold basically still in 2011, and just how much that's changed. It's been wild.
Yeah. Well,
I remember the days when college my books cost more than my tuition. My tuition was about $250 a semester. My books cost me $350.
Oh yeah.
And then when I went to go get my master's, it was actually out of state, and my out of state tuition was $1,750 for a master's.
Wow. Dude, that's insane, man.
That is. That is insane.
Uh,
Well, I just want to give a quick shout out. If anybody's in here from Rogers VIP room and this is your first time, welcome in. That's where I was right before this. So I gave a big shout out. I said, everybody come to Profit Panel.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully everybody decided to come in for that. Everyone's been hearing about your new free ride scanner. And if they haven't, they'll get a chance to join that today again later on. So
Absolutely. Yeah. Well, welcome all the new people here. How many we got on here today?
right now we're sitting at 200.
Nice. Well, welcome everyone. Looking forward to this session. All the new faces.
That's right.
Today has been a day of me. I'm not saying it's a bad day. We got one or two, maybe, I forget. I have to look. Three double digit winners that would have turned into big double digit winners if I just held on, like CCJ. Even SoFi is pumping now. We have a ton of calls coming in on SoFi. I don't know if you guys have seen this on the scanner. This is freaking insane.
Yeah.
People were telling me about this in my masterclass. But look at all this, man. Woo! It's just crazy. Crazy. So I don't know. I kind of feel like I want to trade SoFi again, even though we lost on the earnings play. That was a YOLO bet on the earnings. But we do have some more structural stuff happening on SoFi right now. So this could be a nice pop overnight winner. I guess this was driven by AI, by the GTC conference. Wow. Man, if you'd gone down here on SoFi, you would be popping.
Yeah, imagine if you bought SoFi this morning, kind of like what IBM did. IBM did something very similar. Really good earnings, good guidance. It dumped off, and then they just bought it, and it proceeded to rally several $100s throughout the next couple days, which was.
Did you guys get out of SoFi too, or did you hold?
I bailed.
Yeah. I mean,
I'm still holding. I've got mine.
All right. Is it looking okay?
Down 57% right now. It
Yeah,
was
so
that
I didn't think it was going to come back.
I didn't either.
So
it's trying, but I mean, I'll hold on to it because it's got, till the end of the week. We'll see what happens if we want to move higher.
Yeah, I know. Well, Parker, so, the contract we took yesterday is going to have really inflated IV because of pre-earnings. So, like, even though it's moved up so much, like Blake said, he's still 57% down. We would still be 57. We would still be down. We'd be banking on it to like pop a lot tomorrow. But like, I was thinking, really, for those plays, you needed to pop like the morning of. So, okay. Well, Barry's held SoFi is in profit. All right.
Which contract are you in there, Barry?
I don't know, man.
Did you take the $30 call?
I don't know. He must have taken something different than us.
Vladdy took a spread.
Harry, bro, can you snag this from Harry? That's awesome,
yeah.
dude. Harry, I'm so happy to hear that, man. Thank you. I love hearing the people who have been trying to get the markets to work for them, and then they come and they start using this. They have some success. So that's awesome to see, man.
Absolutely.
Sharita, I know, man. Sharita's at 68% on CCJ. I got out 2%. But good job, Sharita. I was just like, it was one of those trades where it took so long to play out. I was like, I'm not even going to worry about it. And then I saw a little bit of gains. I was like, I'll just get out. And then,
well, I mean, I wasn't even paying attention to it. I was just like, hey, finally everything's starting to bounce up a little bit here. And I thought, wonder what all these guys are doing. I have a different page on my software and looked over at the uranium guys, and I was like, up $22? What? That doesn't sound right. And I opened up a chart, and I was like, holy Moses, thing's up 25% since yesterday.
Dude, it's crazy, man. 26% now, almost 27%.
Yeah, look at Shannon here. She's up 109% on CCJ.
Shannon, I can't tell you what to do, Shannon, but that's a juicy gain.
When did you call CCJ out, Alex?
This morning.
Oh, in the Telegram?
Yeah, AJ's up 100.43% on CCJ.
Wow.
Jeez, man. Omar, don't feel bad, man. I got 2% on CCJ. I was like, my diamond hands were not strong today at all. I had noodle hands. Gosh.
Holy cow.
Tee up means just get the order ready in your brokerage so you don't have to worry about it when I send out the exit or when I send out the entry alert. So if you tee up the order and you just have it going, when I say, hey, enter it at whatever price, you can just basically adjust the price. You don't have to go and find it on the options chain. So, okay. Oh, yeah, Harry, you can't link your brokerage with the scanner.
Yeah.
That'd be cool if you
just be
could.
patient with that. We'll see what happens tomorrow. We got Fed and we got all kinds of stuff. I'm holding on to those things.
Yeah, this is a pretty interesting day to take any late day options, but we are going to because that's what we do. Man, SoFi is pumping so much. Jeez Louise. We've got so many calls coming. What are we at on SoFi? I kind of want to get back into SoFi. Where are all these calls flowing on SoFi? 31st? These are all the 31st? Man, that's crazy. $32 on the 31st.
2 days out?
2 days out. $1.05. Whew. Man, there's a lot of put volume too, though. But I guess that may have been around. No, that wasn't around earnings.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, SoFi's pumping, man.
And what is this reason for the CCJ pump, Jeff? Was there some news or something on that?
Yeah, CCJ and another Canadian company are teaming up with the U.S. government to build some nuclear reactors, $80 billion worth of nuclear reactors. And so that's what that news was, and they jumped them up on that.
Oh my God.
Just pocket change.
Look at the spreads on these contracts for CCJ.
They're wide.
I mean, yeah. This one's the 130 is at $5 with the spread down to $2.50.
Wow.
But the 125 is trading for 46 cents at the mid.
That's crazy. I see all these NVIDIA calls, man. I just I don't know.
Yeah.
I guess it could be good. Maybe I've had it. It's just look at that.
You can share your screen if you want, Alex.
Oh gosh darn it. Dude, that's been another theme today. Me noodle handing it and then me not sharing my screen.
I understand that one, man. It was a rough morning for me. I was moving my desk around, my nightstand where I have this monitor sitting, and as I moved it, the monitor fell and hit the corner of my desk.
Oh,
so
busted.
I was like, no, yeah, it was busted, man. I was so mad. I was like,
That sucks, man.
Yeah, it's just been one of those days. I feel you though.
I ate like 7 pounds of sushi. I think that's the reason.
Oh yeah, that'll do it.
I was doing all you can eat sushi.
As long as it wasn't blowfish.
Yeah, it was not blowfish. I would never. I'm not. It can't be that good to be worth it. Wow, more calls coming in. No, Jesus.
I'm still in NVIDIA. You know what's funny? Yesterday, those NVIDIA calls were lighting up on the scanner, and I just swung one.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did. I'm up 120% right now, and I'm kind of holding because we broke above a very key level.
I know, man. I'm kind of like, can it continue? Like,
I mean,
207.50 is where a lot of these calls are coming in.
A lot
just
of
a
202s,
monster.
too.
A lot of 202. Yeah, they're just expensive.
They are, man. They really, really are.
Like if we want to get around $1 for them, we'd have to go like 207.50. They're $1.50. They jumped 50 cents since I started looking at them. Wow.
Someone just took a massive bet on PLTR, the 220 calls for 11.28.
No, PLT. Oh, I don't see that.
Oh, that's not on there.
What are you? Are you cheating on my scanner?
Maybe.
Using another scanner? How dare you?
How dare I?
Being unfaithful to the scanner.
No, this is just my buddy posted. Somebody from on X was tweeting about it.
Man, we have so much. Oh, dude, I kind of. All right. I mean, I got a ton of sweeps coming in too. Not only this scanner on NVIDIA, but a ton of sweeps coming in for NVIDIA too.
Nice. Parker, did you get those from the scanner?
What did Parker do?
I think he's up 35% on NVIDIA calls.
Mary bought tuna, dinosaur tuna. Mary bought cores. I don't know what's happening with NBIS, man. Oh, you bought the
I don't know either. Oh man. I guess I don't know what happened. I mean, I think I looked up last night because I was doing some research on NBIS, and I guess they already partnered with NVIDIA.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I think maybe I don't know. We'll see. Maybe they'll. I don't know. Maybe I'll hold till tomorrow.
Yeah. I mean, all the analysts have been raising the price targets on NBIS.
Yeah, maybe we hold till tomorrow. We'll see if it pumps. I don't know. I don't know if Jensen's still talking or not.
It'd be nice if he was.
I know. Hey, but let's go ahead and get out a game. That didn't work out for us either. Go ahead and close that out. I'm gonna close it out I'm gonna try and get 5 cents for it. All right, I got 5 cents. Let me go ahead and drop that in my Telegram. So. All right. So, well, we can look at the scan. We have a lot of good trades. Wow, Core's puts. What's Core's doing? I kind of like the puts because it's like everything's going. Oh, Core's is selling off. Okay, so let's go ahead and hey Jeff, can you tell me what your that screener that we were using for Wave? Any tickers on that today?
Yeah, there are. I was looking at Williams Sonoma this earlier today. WSM and Wayfair is like up big time.
What's that ticker?
Wayfair is W. I don't know what's going on with the retailer people today.
Yeah, this is one. Let me go to the daily.
There. And Sherwin-Williams is an expensive stock. I don't know if you want to look at that one or not. Of course, there's PayPal that we missed, right?
Yeah, I know. Don't remind me. We traded SoFi. We should have just traded PayPal. We were going to do PayPal, and I was like, oh, SoFi looks sexy.
And RBLX is on there.
Oh, Roblox?
Yeah.
Nothing on my
yeah.
Nothing on the Wave though. What was the first one?
WSM. It's just now
WSM.
starting to break out finally.
Oh yeah, look at that. Would have hit the profit target even right there. Would have hit it. All right, let's look at. You said W.
Wayfair, yeah, that thing. I don't know. Its earnings didn't come out, so I don't know why it jumped up like it did.
It did pre-market.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
But I missed that one.
Yeah. Nice, Buckeye Lynn. Hey, were those are from the scanner? AMD and NVIDIA. Nice. Oh, you're talking about tuna. Yeah, dinosaur. I eat a lot of tuna at sushi. Buckeye. I love seeing that. Someone asking, please explain why the alerts come in early and the move takes place later. Because the market maker, it takes time for the orders, like the whole rebalancing in the market maker, it takes time, right? This is why it takes place over a 24-hour period. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower, but it's not always instantaneous. It takes time for it to work its way through this ticker, through the stock, right? So that's why sometimes it can take a little while. So yeah. Let's see. Wayfair. Let's check the options for Wayfair. So this is my wave indicator scanner, folks. Did it print out a call though? I thought I saw a call. All right. So we do have a call, profit of 124. So it basically shows you We do a little bit of math on this. Shows you overall momentum and shows you the call. Basically shows you based on the price at breakout, the relationship of the moving averages and a couple of other like little mathematical stuff with slopes. Remember middle school algebra. Basically calculates like an expected profit target for this trade. And this is like within a couple weeks, like 1 to 2 weeks. So this is at 123.88. So let's look at the options chain for W Wayfair. So let's just take the 14th of November. Wow.
I can't stand it when they do that. It drives me nuts. They have all these dollar strikes and they go 5 wide and they only give you 2 above the current market price.
Yeah. Is that just because why is that? They haven't expected the move or what? Like the market.
I don't know. It's like the market makers say, screw y'all. I'm not going to do this.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know why it does that sometimes. I see that a lot of times on stocks.
It is weird. And even on the monthlies, it's kind of like that too.
Yeah.
That's weird. Yeah, man, there's no good. I was looking, there's no good. They're expensive as heck. And then the spreads, if you do debit spread, that's not great either on this one.
No, I mean, I say we pass.
Yeah, I say so too. Any other tickers on that scanner? Besides the ones we've mentioned?
There was, NVIDIA's on there, PayPal's on there, Roblox is on there. Southern Copper SCCO's on there too.
Oh, that's a call. And how's those options?
They are
okay.
Only monthlies, and you can get a fiat through the spread.
Get a what?
A fiat.
What's that?
It's not like
car.
you can put a semi through it. You can just put
Oh,
a fiat.
yeah. I don't. Yeah. I thought that was some technical term. I was like,
Little
man.
MG.
What is it?
That's a little MG. Those little MG cars are awesome.
Yeah. What the you said Palantir was on there? Oh, we already have a Palantir open.
Yeah, we do. And CrowdStrike's on there.
That's pumping today too, ain't it?
CRWD.
Yeah, actually, that pump started pumping. It's nothing good. Anything else?
The only other one that I would think, well, I don't know. I've never traded this. Principal Financial, PFG. Never traded that, I don't think.
Well, we do have a call. I bet these options suck too. Let's see. PFG. Actually, be positive. They don't suck. Oh, no, they suck. Man, look at that. That is insane. That's a huge. That's a nasty chain.
PFG. Oh, there's the truck you can get through them. Okay.
Yeah, I was about to say that's a fiat hole.
Yeah. Thanks, Mark. I appreciate that. Yeah, I thought crude oil would tank off today.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice, Bob. Hey, good job. First trade, Bob got a nice little what's that? 20% profit on CCJ?
Yeah.
Roundabouts.
Good job, Bob.
EWC. Someone's saying check out EWC. Oh, iShares. Okay. Nothing on the scanner.
What is EWC?
Canada.
Like Canadian dollar or Canada or whatever?
I guess there's a Canada company ETF. Is bearish. Yeah, I don't really trade ETFs too much on the scanner because there's just so much flows already on ETFs that I don't know if the tickers are always that I don't know if the flows are that indicative sometimes is what I'm saying.
So what does Intel look like?
Good question.
Intel looks good.
Intel does.
I don't
look
see
good.
any
Really
buys on the
good.
flow on the wave though.
That's because I hadn't turned it on yet. Yeah, I don't see any either. That's because it was so long ago. It's just been in a steady uptrend. This is kind of looking for reversals more. Let's see. Let's go here. I mean, Microsoft probably. Man, Microsoft's taking a huge stake in OpenAI. Everybody saw that news, I hope.
Yeah. They finally finalized their deal, I think, wasn't it?
Yeah, and it's pretty good for Microsoft, I think from what I was reading. It's pretty not good for OpenAI.
So what does UPS look like since they're cutting so many jobs?
Good question. Let me just check out Micron real quick. UPS. I think they're up. They gapped up hard. But they have been selling off today. This could be an interesting trade. Harry, you can use a scanner after hours to like double check charts. But just so I use the scanner after hours. Like I'll come here and see what positions played out today. I'll go through the tickers that showed up a lot. You come over here to the analytics tab, see what was a lot, most active on here. But you can't, it's not going to tell you can't trade it, but you can study it and see how these orders, the timing played out with the chart movement. I'd say that's the most useful thing to use the scanner for after hours. So, yeah, I know Beyond is back too. Okay, UPS though. So let's look at UPS because I know they have good options. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So we could take. We're at what are we at on UPS? We're at
96.38.
96.38. So if we were to do a vertical here, get in for 51 cents and a dollar width spread 96.97.
You looking at the 7 November?
I am looking at the 14th.
Oh, the 14th. Okay. No,
If we go to the 21st, let's see what it is. Buy vertical, get in for 50. A little cheaper actually. We have more time for it to play off too. So folks, how many people we got in here, Blake? I think Blake
yeah, I'm still here. We got 255.
Wow, welcome. So this is great.
On the 14th, if you're looking at a 97.98, it's going for 44 cents.
Okay, I'm going to pull up. So everybody, all the newbies here, not newbies to trading necessarily, just newbies to profit panel. I like option strat. I recommend everybody, if you trade options a lot, even a little bit, try the free trial because it's really good for visualization, especially for spreads. So we're looking at UPS. You said 14th or 7th? Jeff, what'd you say?
I was coughing up a lung.
Nice. So we're one lung down, but we're still going to put on trades. That's how dedicated we are.
That's right.
What was the expiration though?
The 14th.
97, 98.
Yeah, I was looking at 97.98.
Okay, so let's look. So this is really good. So look, by the 14th, if we get up, this is where we'd be basically in profit. So we would need to be, by expiration, we need to be up at 97.50. Now, on the wave indicator, our profit target line here is at 104. So 97.50's only right here. All we have to do is basically go up to here, this little level, right about there. So this is, and considering that the earnings were so good, I guess cutting employees is good.
It is. It frees up a lot of capital.
Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, hypothetically it would be bad because it's like, why can't they afford to pay these people? But it doesn't seem to work like that ever.
Hey, you know, the market doesn't look at it like that, though. They're like, oh, more free cash flow.
I know.
I think I did the math last night on the Evening Edge. I can't remember what company I did, maybe Microsoft, but they freed up some like $1.2 billion in capital with those layoffs.
Jeez.
So,
Jeez.
yeah.
And I guess their forecast was pretty good then.
Microsoft?
No. Well, UPS. I know Microsoft
Oh.
was, but I'm just looking
I
at
don't
who we're
know.
going to be maybe trading UPS.
I like the calls, though. I think it could try to go back up to 109.
Yeah, are the calls affordable?
They're not bad. 34 cents.
Were there any UPS hits on the scanner today?
The 98.99 might pay better.
What's that at? 98,
35 cents.
98.99, $32 to 200. We get 200% on this one, and we would need it to go to 98.50 basically, minimum. To be in profit. Higher than that, it's going to work out nice. Yeah, I mean that's better.
Yeah.
Did you see how beat down UPS is too? Like if you look at them on like the yearly chart, they are just beat down.
Yeah, they are beat down, man.
Like that's almost like I want to buy some shares of this company.
Well, you know why they're beat down?
Why?
Because Amazon cut their contract with them.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. They canceled the contract with UPS, so they're not doing Amazon stuff anymore. They use the great and the best mail system, the United States Postal Service, to do it now.
Got it. That's probably cheaper than using UPS.
Well, yeah, but I'm being very sarcastic on the greatest little mail system.
Right. No,
So bad.
absolutely.
Yeah.
It's not. I mean, my post office loses stuff all the time.
Oh, yeah.
It's
I mean, my
bad.
wife she writes a check for every bill there is. And man, they lose checks. We don't get bills. I mean, I keep everything online. I can just go on there and go, here's the bill. Go send it out now. But she keeps a ledger of every date she sends something out just because the mail service is so bad.
Right.
So it's horrible.
So it's kind of like the U.S. and China. UPS built Amazon to this massive behemoth with a juicy little contract, and then now Amazon is just like, screw you.
Yeah.
Oh wow, Mary, good job on that UUU trade.
NVIDIA over 200. Yeah.
All right,
let's 200.
NVIDIA over. Oh, did it just keep pumping?
It's still
my
pumping.
gosh. What a
Look at
monster, huh?
That 202.5, it might hit I probably won't hit 202.50 today, but maybe tomorrow. We'll come back to it. We're doing the overnight sweep scanner today. So closer to market, we're gonna be doing a couple of newest trades for folks. So stick around. We gotta stick around till 3:30 because that's kind of when it starts working the best. So we might come back to NVIDIA if it's on the sweep scanner. But in the meantime, let's come back to UPS. We're gonna take this spread here. UPS.
It's the 98.99, right?
Yeah, 98.99. Buy to open 14th November. 14th November 25. $98 call. Sell to open 14th November 25. $99 call. That is the trade. We're gonna see what we can get filled at. And let's see. I'm at 36. I'm just going to try and get filled at 36. All right. I'm in at 36. Try and get filled at 36 cents per contract, per spread. Down a little bit. You might be able to get getting better. 35 even. You might be able to push it.
I got 35.
Nice. So let's see. Move this to my profit panel group so I can keep track. Oh my lord, now I'm down 15%. That's okay. Spreads are wonky, folks. So spreads are basically debit spreads, credit spreads, P&Ls on your brokerage. You're down 20%. It's not like a regular option. It's gonna be wonky until you get closer to expiration. So just don't just look at the price action. I'll show you what we need it to be. So basically for this one, again, you can see here we want it to basically be somewhere in 97, at least 97.50 to 99.50. Really 98.50. We'll just set that. We want it to be at 98.50, which is only right here, basically, which is where it touched today. So, and it's over the 200 moving average. So pretty bullish about that. That as long as it's over that, we're going to be profitable on this trade.
Shannon always smokes us on fills.
What'd she get?
32.
Oh. This is a debit spread, folks, not a credit spread. So just make sure. That's crazy though, Shannon. That's
Who's your broker?
I don't know, but she always just kills us on fills.
I'm gonna go sign up for whoever her broker is because my gosh, I'm getting arbitraged out.
Oh wow, look at these. Dude, this is crazy.
Beyond meat.
Don't tempt me, Alex. I'll go in again on Beyond.
Should we go get some fake meat?
Well, Shannon's using toss just like we are, so
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Yeah, Nvidia, look at that, still pumping, man. Yeah, well, good job, Shannon. Be aggressive with those fill prices, folks. You do not need to necessarily take what it's giving you, ever. Go beneath the mid. Joe got 33 too. Let's see. Vladdy's saying SoFi still has stuff coming in. Douglas, we closed all winners today. I think we closed two or three winners today. All winners though, thankfully.
yeah, but they're all puts coming in right now.
On SoFi?
Yeah. There's not big volume except for one of them, but
I mean, I kind of would rather play that than the calls, honestly, just because that's saucy. Take off the wave indicator. Yeah, boo. I closed out that last remaining. I already closed out most of my positions yesterday for ASST. I just left one running. I closed it out this morning. I sent it out in the chat. Dude, my skin is so dry with the changing of the seasons, man. I need some lotion. All right. SoFi puts. I told you there was I mentioned it a while ago. I don't know if it was on this call, but there's a pretty decent ratio for puts and calls. You guys can see this here on SoFi. See a lot of puts, a lot of calls too, but a lot of puts as well. So could be very interesting. I don't know. If it breaks down below this, we're kind of in a consolidation pattern right here. If SoFi breaks below this, maybe we take those puts, maybe we don't. Oh man, look at Nvidia, dude. It might hit 202. It's gonna hit 202 by the day, isn't it?
the 201 right now.
Jeez Louise. Crazy stuff. All right, let's see if we can we're gonna look at that overnight scanner soonish. Run is always a fun one to trade. Can run.
I was just looking at run.
Oh, nice. Okay, let's look at run. Ooh, beaten down.
But they're buying
Really?
22 and a half calls.
Oh wow. When did these start? 11:18.
Yeah.
Wow, this is
There's a 23 call that just came in.
23 calls, 22.50. Huh. Let's see if it's on the let's see a sweep scanner if it's showing anything on run. No sweeps on run, but that's interesting. What's the split on this? This is for November 7th, right?
Yeah. Run. See
Wow.
what they look like.
Look at. Well, there's a lot right here. A lot more. There's not really anything on the puts, but there's a lot coming up here on the those 2250 calls that are on the scanner. I recommend folks if you're on whatever brokerage you are, they all kind of the same. This is TOS, of course. If you just go up here to your little columns tab, you see this, folks, right here where my mouse is. Boom, boom, boom. You can change what you want. I go customize column sets. I like to see the percent change. You can save it as a default, or you can say, you save it and it can be your default, but I just always put it on there. I like seeing it just because I can see what this specific option contract, this is what the option contract has done today. So this one's down 14% as of today. So sometimes, if you're looking for a rebound of a stock, remember if you're seeing a ton of like calls coming in, stock selling off, you're playing like a reversal trade. And you want to kind of keep tabs on how much it's down, because that could be, if it's down like, 70%, even if it just gets to like, 50%, that's a 20% gain for you if you were to enter at that point. So, I don't know. It's so bad right now. I don't even know. Sunrun Solar Energy, right? I suppose.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
They got earnings coming out next week.
Yep.
Thursday, bouncing off. It's a hard one. Let's see if there's anything else. There are a lot of calls all through the day.
After
even
market close too.
What'd you say?
It's after market close on Thursday.
Oh, okay, yeah. All these calls came in, and this thing's been selling off. I don't know. Either they're bad hedge funds, or they're they know something. They know something that we don't. So keep run in the mind, front of mind. Beyond, dude, what is going on with Beyond? Are we doing another squeeze on this puppy? Jeez.
I don't know, but I just took a position in Beyond, a lottery ticket play, basically. I mean, I could see them rallying it back up, but
are we still? I need to check Wall Street. Oh my Lord, look at that!
Yeah,
And they're on the sweeps. Like 1031. I mean, we're only got to get to 2, which is 9 cents away, 7 cents away from where it is, 10 cents away. But that's obviously a huge gain for a $1.90 stock. Where are we at on the day? Nice little double bottom almost. How cheap are they?
BYND, they're like 20.
Oh, they're so
20
cheap.
cents. Yeah, they're cheap.
All right, folks. Let's go back into the Beyond. Let's go back into the fake meat.
That didn't take much convincing.
I mean, they're just so cheap, and there's so many. There's so many calls coming in on this one.
There are,
and there's so many sweeps coming in.
103,000. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big bet.
Yeah, that's crazy. All right. So these are all at 250. I don't know. Maybe we do 250. We can get even cheaper. Pick up some more contracts.
And it's all for Friday's expiration.
Yeah. I kind of want to do. What do you guys want to do? Did you do $2, Blake, or 250?
I did the $2 call. I went with the one that was closer in the money, or at the money, I should say.
Yeah.
I like that little intrinsic value push that you get.
Yeah, the intrinsic value on Beyond Meat. That's
that's what we never thought we'd hear, but there it is.
Yeah. Bill Gates's meat slop.
Oh
soy
my
slop.
gosh.
What do you want to do, Jeff? You want to do 2 or 250?
They're all doing the 2s right now, so why not do the 2s?
Is this the sweep scanner at 2? Yeah. All right, let's do the 2. I mean, they're only $20.
Yeah.
Pick up a couple contracts. Oh, actually, before I do that, I'll send it in.
I'm trying to see how high Nvidia is going to go here.
Dude, I don't. We should, dude. Isn't that crazy? It's like sometimes you're like, I don't know, but if we had bought, we'd be up like 30% right now.
Well, not only that, it's 18 cents from 202.
Yeah, those are the ones that I'm in right now. I think
Oh,
I took the ones from yesterday on the
dude,
scanner.
You got a good one on CoreWeave too today, didn't you?
Yeah, I cashed out on that one for like I sold. It was at 0.67. I think it was like 40% or something. I got out of those.
That's
I
good.
set a trailing stop and it came and got it. So I was like, well, we're out of that one.
Yeah, that's beautiful. All right,
Yeah, that
folks.
was a great
Let's
one.
see if we can get filled at. I'm gonna try and get filled at like 20, or let me see if I can get filled at 19 for this 20 for this 31 October beyond. Blake's typing like a madman.
I am, man. Can you guys hear it when I type?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I got filled at 20. Yep. I got filled at 20.
Yeah, I got 20.
All right. Up 2%. We'll see if we get a rally. This is going to be crazy, man.
If we get a rally, it's going to be a short squeeze.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, look, this is on the scanner, so it's not like we're just doing a YOLO bet, but I will say that beyond is in squeeze territory. It's being a massive short squeeze. The retail traders are trying to squeeze these guys. So, this is a fun one, and we've had some huge winners. Good. It's a high volatility play for sure, though.
It's at 19 now.
Oh, nice.
There you go. Get in for cheaper.
Nvidia debit spread, honestly, might not be a bad idea.
I mean, the volume on this thing is just insane. I haven't seen anything like this in a long time.
Yeah, it's crazy. 207.50. No way, dude. Come on. 207.50. That's a new one, right?
Those just came in.
Yeah.
No
Are you kidding me?
way.
Maybe we just do a regular option. How much are those? Are these for the 31st? That's insane. 207.50.
Those are
Yeah, they're
$2.46.
240. Yeah. Are there any higher ones? What, we got some 220s at all? 225. No, November 21st. Those are probably expensive too.
Jeff, what do you think about this Nvidia trade?
Actually, right this second, I'm looking at a put spread on it.
Oh.
Credit put spread, right?
Right. I was just wanting to see what they were giving. You can do an 85, 82 and a half for 14 cents.
On Nvidia?
Yeah, it expires Friday.
Wow. You want to say that for tomorrow for credit spread day?
Yeah, I was thinking we can't do that today.
Yeah, we could, but
yeah, let's definitely keep that on our page for tomorrow.
Yeah.
that's some crazy. We'll also have been the Fed decision. That's at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Yeah, it is.
So we'll
We're
be
right after that.
Yeah, we'll be past that. So that'll be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's another externality to think about. And any trades you put on today is that we do have a Fed meeting. I will say poly market odds. Let's go poly market Fed decision.
Are they juicing these premiums up right now?
Good question.
Is that what's happening?
Could I mean any IV is going to juice premiums up, right? So this is a volatile week with the earnings, the Fed meeting, the data. Yeah, so I mean we're basically. I don't think there will be much. I guess whatever Powell says in his big stupid mouth.
Well,
to move the market, but
I mean, I see what they're doing, but what if we went to the 220s or even the 225s?
Just for a regular call.
Just a regular call at the 220, because if they move this thing up to 210 or 212 or whatever, and from right now to then, we're going to end up picking up probably 30-40% off those things.
I know it's a good strategy. Honestly, I was looking at those because like they're
That
way
is a good
cheaper.
strategy.
If we just go a little out, if we
Yeah.
go a little down, like look how much cheaper they get. These are for the 31st of October. I don't know if we want to play 7th even, but we could still go 225. It's only $80. Give ourselves more time. I mean, do we play the 7th? Do we play this week? We're gonna go 225, 220 to 225. I mean, they're super cheap actually. 220s.
Right. We
And
can
we
get those
still-
things for 35 cents and pick up, maybe you can get 50% out of them.
Yeah. All right. So all this volume's coming in. Let's check the sweeps. I just want to check the sweep scanner real quick for NVIDIA, which I know it's going to be a ton of stuff. Just look at this. Ready? Mind about to be blown. Oh, look. We got sweeps coming in for December. That's a December, but that's okay. But they're pushing it towards 220, 205, 205, 205. That's actually the layout on this thing I built is there's so many contracts being traded. It's actually all funky on the strike price because
Oh
it's
my.
being moved below to another line.
Yeah.
1031. Let's see what have we got? 1031, 205, 205,
But
205.
even next week's 225 is at 80 cents.
Yeah. Ooh, do we want to
That might be wise.
do a
And that-
little?
That gives us a little more time, a little more juicing to go. But they could juice those things up to $1.30 pretty easy.
Yeah.
And we
All
end
right.
up picking up 50%.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah. I like it. All right. NVIDIA buy to open 7 November 25. We're doing the 220 225 call.
Oh man, they're moving them. Hurry. Type.
Oh, it is moving. It is moving.
It is. They heard us. Who's on here?
Stupid market makers.
They're on here, man.
I'm gonna try and get into 86 cents. Let's see if we get filled. Okay, I got filled at 86.
I'm gonna have
I
to
should have
take
been
that
more
one
aggressive.
too.
Get filled at 85. You can probably get filled at 85 or even 84. That was way too easy. I should have gone lower.
And you're in the which ones? The 225s?
Yes.
Yeah.
November 7th.
Are you, before we? I know we're getting towards the end here, but before we go, you looking for a cheap earnings play? There's one that has my eye.
Okay. Yeah. What is it?
Lumen. Lumn.
I like Lumen.
They have their earnings on the 31st or the 30th, and they are just rallying. So it's very risky. But
What do they do? Like,
fiber optics.
oh, someone was talking about fiber optics in the chat.
That was Dinosaur.
Oh, okay.
They're up in Colorado.
Oh, nice. Do we have them on the scanner? I think we did see them today, didn't we?
I saw them yesterday.
We got some puts.
Mm-hmm. And we have some call flow. So it's kind of a mixed bag.
Let's see what this is for November. Oh, but all of them are for the 31st. The ones today at 120. That's not. I mean, we've rallied since for sure.
I'm just curious your thoughts on it. If you were looking for something, I mean,
Well, I mean, if it's on the 31st, if we take an option now, we still have 3 days. It's on Friday morning. Let's go ahead and look.
I
Pull
don't
up.
remember.
Vladdy, yeah, fiber optics. I don't care usually. Usually, I don't know what half these companies. I'm not even half. 90% do. Most of them, honestly, a lot of them don't do anything of value. So, but that's where we are. If you want to value stocks, go to Philip Morris and Pepsi. Those are McDonald's.
Pep.
Yeah,
Actually, Pep moves pretty good on earnings.
it does.
It did, yeah. I forget if we traded that, but yeah, we were looking at it for a second at least. What was I going to look up? I was going to look up
Lumen? No.
No, I was gonna look up. Yeah, I was gonna look up something on. Oh yeah, Earnings Whisper. Here, let me pull up Earnings Whisper. So if we buy anything, it's just gonna be like eating. Like we have to hold for a while before earnings, and then we have to get the IV crush. We'll get the IV crush after earnings. That just makes it hard to open the position this far out. I don't see Lumen. I don't see it on Earnings Whisper. Are you sure? Are there earnings definitely this week? Oh, they're Thursday. They're Thursday. Oh, the 30th. Okay.
You talking about Lumen?
Yeah.
Their earnings are Thursday.
Thursday night. Okay, let's see.
I've got, what do I have? I think I'm already up on them a little bit.
A whole lot of stuff going on. 17% implied volatility from where they are. So what's 17% of 9? So it'd be like a dollar something.
$1.57 or something like that.
Yeah.
$1.53.
I was close.
Yeah, you were real close. I just had to use a calculator.
So we can say 10.53 or so. And these were 10.50 calls for this.
Those
week.
are the ones I am in.
I mean, it is risky.
It is very risky.
They're also
as with all earnings.
Yeah. I kind of honestly like if we were to take one. So these are cheaper, the ones on the 31st still, but the $12 one has actually a better ratio of new volume to open interest. They're only 17 cents if I get in for real cheap. So
that's the only reason I brought it up is because it's a cheapie. I like those cheapies, but it's I didn't see those puts. I didn't even see those.
The puts.
Yeah.
Oh, well, they're. Oh yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, this is an earnings. Those are for November 21st though.
True.
And December 19th. Okay, I don't know. Jeff, you be the tiebreaker. I'm undecided on this one. Feel like, I don't know. It's cheap. I don't mind doing it if you want to do it. What do you think?
$12 versus $10.50.
Yeah. For this week.
11.50. 12. I mean, for 3 cents, you can get the 12s.
For 3 cents.
Well, it just now popped up. Dang.
Oh, see, someone's listening to us.
Yeah, I was looking at the 11.50s versus the 12s.
For October 31st, right?
October 31st.
Yeah.
And we were 24 cents on the 11.50s and 21 cents on the on the 12s, and I was like, well, I'll take 50 cents more just for that, but they're not doing that now. Not 6 cents. Let's do the 12s. What the heck?
I'm seeing you said 6 cents. I'm seeing 17 cents on the bid.
Right, between the two of them though, you only got like 8 or 9 cents. You got 50 cents of more. Intrinsic value, right?
Yeah.
So you're paying 8 or 9 cents for 50 more cents.
Yeah.
So I think we'll have those move quicker than you will the 12s as far as
for the 11.5s.
Yeah, for your delta. I mean,
all right. Yeah, I mean it's not. Yeah, $27. All right. So 11.50, 31 October.
There you go. I mean, you got 7 cents more of delta on there, so they'll move better, especially if they have good earnings and they pop up to 10.5 or 11.
Yeah. Okay. So 30. Yep. I'm gonna type in Lumen. 31 October. 25 11 11:50 call. 11:50 call. Why didn't wait? Where'd it go? I pressed enter and it disappeared on me.
I just lost the chat, so
Dude, I lost the chat too. It's not working.
yeah, it's not working for me either.
What the heck?
Yeah, that's the first time this has happened.
We
We blew up the room.
Broke the room.
We broke the room.
Yeah, NBIS was up, but you know that was kind of a speculative. Oh, there it is. Okay, I think
Yeah,
it's
it just came back for me too.
Oh, there you go. All right, I had to reload. All right. Oh man, it's already kind of moving up. Oh, dang it. All right, I'm gonna try and get in at 20. I'm gonna try and get in at 27.
I just got 27.
You got 27.
I have a good feeling about those Lumen calls.
Well, that's the most important thing.
Yeah, I gotta get. Usually, the old gut indicator works. Time at least.
Yeah. I'm not getting filled at 28. I'm gonna try and hold till 20. I'm gonna try and hold at 27
Let's see if I can get in for 28.
or 28. I'm trying to hold at 28.
All right, I got filled for 28.
You did?
I did, yeah.
Come on, man. I think my TOS is broken.
It's busted.
I never get filled at these good prices.
Well, it was at 28, and I put it in at 27 and got filled immediately.
You did? Ah,
Yeah.
Jeff.
come on, man.
God, I'm
It's not filling me. All right, so let's look at one more. Let's look at because we're at 30 minutes. All right, folks. So let's see where we're at here. So I'm just gonna go 29. All right, I got filled at 29.
Kraft Heinz?
Ooh, a little KHC action.
One just came in.
I like
That must be. Is that earnings? They're later in the cycle, aren't they?
Yeah, they're real late in the cycle.
All the
their
boring
earnings are
companies.
soon.
But did they do that on purpose? All the boring companies are later.
Wait,
Oh
Wait.
snap!
KHC's in the
snap.
morning, Jeff.
Wait a second. I think we got it. I think we got the hit. Look at that. Nokia 1031, 23,000 contracts have just hit. Let's see what it is. $9.
Nokia still exists?
Yeah, I know. Well, Nvidia is doing something with them now.
Oh, really?
They announced it. Yeah.
Vertical.
Next thing you know, they're going to be buying BlackBerry or something.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. Look at that today. But these sweeps just came in for like late day. So this is basically like late day sweeps. They came in 30 minutes ago. This is mom. No. This is like traditional sweeps, right? So it's a little different than the scanner that you all know, free ride scanner. These are for overnight plays. Basically, the idea is that we take them at 3:30 in the afternoon, right? We're 30 minutes until market closes. Why are these happening this late? There's no time to reevaluate a position really. So the idea is that they're looking for an overnight pop. I'm not going to bury the lead. Repeated hits ascending fill means they don't care what price they're going to get filled at. So we're going to try and target an overnight on this.
Jeff, is the chat working for you?
Yeah.
What's the last thing you see in the chat?
Let's see. Parker says, can you explain the difference between sweeps and big order flow? Next one was, when did we sell?
Now my chat's broken.
All for overnight. You're not seeing that?
No. Oh, there it goes. I should have refresh.
And then Robus said, I see the same. So Now I'm using a different browser. It's called Brave. I don't know if you've heard of that, Blake.
Oh yeah,
It
yeah,
works out pretty well.
It
So
does. It works
this
very
is
well.
my first day using it though.
You'll love it. That's all you'll use from now on. Because it's so good. It's got built-in blockers. Like when you go to web pages, like it'll show you how many ads and trackers it blocks.
It's crazy to see those stats, man.
I know. It makes you think like, I'm at risk of all this. Okay, so that NVIDIA trade that we just took is up 20%. So if anybody wants to take profit and get a free 20%, you can.
No way, really?
Yeah, 22% now.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And the ones I sold are going up a lot more, but those are like 3 days to expiration. I don't really like swinging those. Too much theta.
Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Beyond's up 7% too. All right, so let's go ahead and do this Nokia trade here. Etsy's So Etsy calls coming in, dude. I can't trade Etsy. I've lost on every single trade I've ever done on Etsy, Jotka. So I'm not.
Early this morning I saw pins come in, Pinterest.
Oh yeah.
And then all of a sudden it disappeared. So I don't know what happened to it.
Oh really? I've never noticed that. I've never had that happen. That's weird. I'll double check. Buy to open 31 October 25. $9 call. Oh, my chat's being delayed too. Anyways, it's the $9 call. October 31st.
It's in there. It's there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's there.
I don't see it.
You're good.
Okay, cool. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and open that up now that it's moved 20 cents on me. No, it's still good. Try and get filled. Let me see if I can get filled at 27. Can't. I got filled at 28 cents on Nokia. So again, big sweeps. This is basically sweeps are intermarket orders. So there's like 16 different options exchanges. I think someone was asking me this. Basically, there are 16 different options exchanges. So sweeps are basically when people are trying to send massive options orders, but they don't want to alert the rest of the market, me and you, what they're doing. So they'll break apart like a massive block, like these 23,000 contracts. They'll break them apart into little bits and send 500 through one exchange, 200 from another exchange, 300. So you'll never. So they usually typically will get lost in just the flow of the market. But if you can access those and collate them and have like a program that can collate them and tie these orders together, you can actually see it's like an X-ray machine. You can see actually these little seemingly independent orders are actually part of a much larger order. And so when big money is going to bet that much dough on a stock at 3:30 p.m. at the end of the day, there's not a lot of time for them to reevaluate their position if stuff goes wrong, right? The question is, though, why are they doing that then? Well, because they're typically planning on something big happening the next day or a couple days from now. So that's why we look for these late in the evening or late in the market day. So we'll see what happens tomorrow morning.
That's right. Their song by Tom Petty, "The Waiting is the Hardest Part."
That's true. R.I.P. R.I.P. Well, that was a action-packed day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at all the trades we took down in the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I know. How'd you guys enjoy today? Huh? Have a good time?
Let us know in the chat.
Now, who here? So we used a lot of this free ride scanner today. I want to ask you guys a question, and gals. Who's not using the free ride scanner yet? Just give it to me. There's no, don't be ashamed. Don't be embarrassed. Just let me know in the chat if you're not using the free ride scanner yet. in some shape or form. Let me see what people are saying. Ian's not yet. Barbara says great session. Parker, not yet. Josh, first time here, great time. Great. Not yet. All right, Sting's just following the profit panel. So, you might be wondering, what the heck is the free ride scanner? What do I, how do I use it? What is it? How does it work? All this jazz, right? I'm going to show you guys what it is, why it works, and why it's well, I mean, it's been doing great. I'm really proud of it. I'm happy to see all the people writing in to say they've been enjoying it as well. So, and actually, one of the coolest parts of the whole thing is that you can actually get the free ride scanner. I'm going to go ahead and just do this live, Blake. I think I have me teed up live today. Yep.
Oh, are you live today?
I think so.
That works for me, brother.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let me stop sharing.
You can get tee me up. Yeah, there you go. So you can actually get the scanner for free, zero cost, right? No credit card or anything. This scanner can find double, triple digit moves in just a matter of hours. So before we get started here, we do develop tools and strategies best of our ability. I can't guarantee the future. There's